Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be a very quick Oreo cookie hack. I'm going to show you guys how I created this. It was really easy, you guys. If you're interested in videos like more hacks like this, go ahead and thumbs up this video just so I know, and don't forget to subscribe. So we're going to start off with this huge jar that I got from Home Goods. I got this for $7.99. And because it took me forever to make this video, my kids got into the Oreos. But it's okay, later on in the video, I end up having to go and grab 2 more Oreo packages. So all I'm doing here is just making it easier for me to grab the Oreos. I'm just gonna take them out of their packaging. And the first thing I'm going to do is make 1 layer all the way around the bottom of the cookie jar. Now throughout this whole video, we are gonna leave the center empty. I'm going to show you guys in a little bit, but I'm just going to continue stacking. Now I'm going to zoom in just so you guys can see I am not stacking them directly on top of the next Oreo. They're kind of in between the 2 at the bottom, if that makes any sense. Let me show you guys from a different angle. So this is what it looks like from the top. We are just going to continue going up to the top of the jar and leaving the middle open. Food for Less was having a sale, thank goodness, on these Oreos. So I picked up 2 more for $2.99. But I mentioned that earlier in the video that I was going to have to go back and get more cookies. So I'm just going to speed through this process. We are going to stack the cookies all the way up to the top. Now the ones that are broken, like this one, they're still going to go in the jar. You're just going to turn it around so the broken part is facing the inside, and then the nice part is facing the outside. And that is pretty much it. I had like 1 row left over. Again, if you are interested in videos like this, hacks, DIYs, thumbs up this video just so I know, and I will be sure to put out more content like this. If you are not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe. I would appreciate that. And if you are already subscribed, don't forget to turn on your notifications so you know the next time I upload another video. This is pretty cool. Just gives the illusion that it's full, but it's not really full. Anyways, guys, I hope you guys have an awesome day or night whenever you're watching this, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.